forget the county lines, forget the city lines, begin to look at this as what we can do as a region.
With those words from Governor Bob Riley, the Birmingham region started down an aggressive new path that has never been taken by our community. More than 600 business and community leaders joined Governor Riley that night in July for the launch celebration of the Birmingham Business Alliance. From that point on, the BBA has been moving forward, acting as a dynamic advocate, unifying voice, and constant catalyst for economic development and business prosperity for the Birmingham region. With the newly combined team finally under one roof in downtown Birmingham, plans for a strategic planning process begin. While other work is continuing in important areas like economic development, Norfolk Southern announces the Birmingham Regional Intermodal Facility in McCalla. It's a $112 million investment, which over the next 2 decades could create 8,000 new jobs. Walter Energy, a company with $1.2 billion in revenue, announces the move of its corporate headquarters to the Birmingham region from Tampa, bringing with it 50 executive-level jobs. Home Depot holds the grand opening for its new regional distribution center in Jefferson County, a $33 million investment, creating more than 300 new jobs. Birmingham automotive supplier Camtech, part of the Magna family, begins construction on a $100 million expansion to its existing facility. The company supplies parts to Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Kia. And Korean steel supplier POSCO, the second largest steel producer in the world, announces its intent to locate a multi-million-dollar steel processing facility in Jefferson County, bringing 60 new jobs to the area. This will be their premier facility in the United States. Meanwhile, the BBA's regional development team also goes to work, first on the list, hosting a meeting for Jefferson County's legislators in an effort to help the county avoid financial collapse. In November, Governor Bob Riley addresses hundreds of BBA investors. He uses this opportunity in front of regional business leaders to introduce his proposed highway solution to relieve congestion along US 280. And with the city's special election looming, the BBA hosts a forum so investors and other residents can hear directly from the candidates running for mayor of Birmingham.
We're interested in hearing the candidates' views on the best ways to grow our economy.
The BBA continues offering investors access to a huge variety of networking events that benefit their businesses, including Business at Breakfast, Lunch, and Sunset, the Magic City Classic Scholarship Breakfast, the Diversity Summit, and receptions honoring new CEOs like Victor Patrick of Walter Energy and Dante Wilson of BB&T Bank. Small business entrepreneurs benefited from seminars such as Small Business and the Law and Social Marketing for the Small Business Owner. As a new organization, communications is a vital part of BBA activities. Senior team members deliver regular presentations explaining in detail the mission and vision of the organization and answering questions about its work under new leadership. Birmingham Magazine continues to highlight the best about the Birmingham region, whether the focus is lifestyle, business, or community-related issues. And now the strategic planning process takes center stage at BBA. Hundreds of people from throughout our 7-county region are asked to participate in focus groups. Over the course of the process, consultants will hear from thousands of residents through groups like this one and through an online survey found at www.birminghambusinessalliance.com. So the first 160 days of the Birmingham Business Alliance have been busy, but there is much to do.
There is nothing that you're dealing with today that doesn't have a solution.
And with that frame of mind, the team at the BBA and the people who invest their time and money in the organization will move forward, knowing that it is the plans of today and the work of laying a strong foundation that will determine the future of the Birmingham region.